Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel and welcome to the Python for Beginners session. So we are going to start Python class session for the beginner level. If you are new to programming language or if you know already programming, for everyone this session will be useful actually. If you are completely new for the programming but still you will be able to understand this Python programming language, you won't get confusion with the syntax. So uh, that's why we have started a Python session as well. And before that, please subscribe our channel. There is a lot more videos about software testing, automation testing, performance testing, and there are backend testing videos. Please see and check out and subscribe as well. First of all, if you want to start the Python things, we have to download Python. So for my machine it shows download for Mac Python 3.7.0, for Windows and other platform. So it's available for Windows, also available. Once you download, the Python will be installed in the C folder. So you can, if you want set a path, just copy that C folder thing and set into environment variable. And once this is done, like you can open the terminal, something like just enter Python. So you can see the Python editor actually. It will be directly redirect into Python editor. So the basic operation, something like 2 plus 3 and 4 minus 1, this basic calculation and all will work directly. No need to do any programming or something like that. So it will be, it's very easy and anyone can understand it actually. And this is just command prompt level. And if you want to use some editor, something like for Java you will use Eclipse, right? So for Python we can use Eclipse as well as PyCharm. Okay, and if you have any issue with the download, just download it, Python latest version. And for Windows you have to just go to the C folder, you can see Python and that version. Okay, just copy and set into path, that's it, nothing worry about it. And Mac, just install, you can see the Python editor here. And if you don't have any IDE for Python, you can use PyCharm, but it's heavy actually. So for that purpose we have used uh, Visual Code Studio. Okay, so Visual Code Studio, once you install, so for the installation of Visual Code Studio, just Visual Studio Code, just first one, just download for Mac stable build. Once you've done it, and for Windows also available, Linux also it's available. Once you're done, if you launch, you will be redirected to this page. You can see here Python with blue color. When you click on that, it will be installed automatically. So we have installed already, something like it's already installed. Otherwise you have to install and reload it. Once done, you just have to open any folder. If you have some folder already, something like I have a Python learn, something like that, inside folder you just create a file and just start using it. I already have one file, first.py. Okay, so when I run, right click and run with Python, so it's just asking to select interpreter, which one you want to select. I will give Python 3.6. okay, see, it just prints. So if you want to create, go here, just add my python dot py. Okay, you can print hello, right click on the editor, run Python file in terminal, it will print hello. Okay, like this you can create a Python file and you can run it in Visual Code Studio as well as Eclipse and PyCharm. So this Visual Code Studio will be easy to install. It's look like editor, you can install, even you can use this editor for a lot of other programming language also, JavaScript, and also you can use this for Python. So coming classes we are going to use Visual Studio Code only. Okay, so I think I hope you guys able to install and you can run some print hello in the editor, as well as in the terminal also you can just put like print it's print hello, and you can do division also. So all the calculation you can do command, it's very simple to use. Okay, I hope you are able to install as well as you can do some hello world program. Okay, so in next session we can see more about Python. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.